Yep. What are we catting today? I literally have never opened this program before, so we're not going to be doing anything too crazy. I'm just watching a tutorial on the side. Awesome. The UI seems to have changed in the last year. Very cool, very cool. Oh, interesting. It's super nice for paneling. Yo, how's it going? Off to a great start. The thing it's telling me to do doesn't exist anymore. Okay. Okay, very cool, very cool. What's the latest version? It's just whatever. I downloaded it like yesterday, the free trial. One thing I am confused about is why the sensitivity is fucking crazy. Hopefully there must be a way of changing that, because this is kind of insane. I'm literally moving my mouse, like my cursor, like this to go like this far. Okay, well the first thing they've asked me to do, it can't be done, so that's very cool. Hopefully we don't need sheets anymore. Doing good. How are you doing? It's remote. Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure I'd want to go to America right now, currently. Oh, Past plasticity? I've been in the program for like 20 seconds. I have no idea yet. We're gonna find out. Oh. Oh, I see. Face mode. It's pretty cool. What's the subject for today? Try and learn this program. I know nothing about this program. So I thought it'd be interesting to literally start looking at it on stream. My only main issue at the moment is my sensitivity is fucking crazy. Like, why is zooming in like this? I use a pen for everything. What tutorial watching? We are watching this one. This guy, I watched a lot of this guy's stuff. It's a nightmare. Oh, well, hopefully it should still work. It's just the same thing essentially. This guy did a bunch of, when I was learning Houdini, I watched a bunch of this guy's stuff, and he has like a full intro to plasticity. So I thought, why not just keep using his stuff? What's 4 again? Shooting solid. Okay. What's 1? Vert. So vert, edge, face. Cool. Pixel fondue? Yep. Why, what's wrong with a tablet in CAD? Wait, you can't select vertices on. It's not optimized? In what way? Do you need a scroll wheel? The gizmo responds to mouse clunkiness only. Interesting. We'll find out when we get to it, I guess. But I want to deal with this first. This is stupid. This sensitivity is wild. How do I change sensitivity? Oh. It's kind of annoying that the interface is a bit different, but it's all good. What do you mean? Like, how is this sensitivity normal or acceptable in any way at all? Like what is this? I'm literally moving my thing like this. It just shoots in. It's kind of crazy. It's It's kind of strange it also goes to orthographic, but I guess maybe that's for cat, I guess. There must be a way of changing sensitivity. That can't be normal. It's kind of annoying the interface is different. Why did they change it so much? Oh, no, it's here. Okay. Blender, it's not Blender. Did I get the studio license? Nope, this is a free trial. I just wanted to try it out. I'm not gonna buy a program that I don't know anything about. Try switching off zoom vertical in preferences. Zoom vertical? The fuck is zoom vertical? Oh, it's not on. Just try turning it on. What does that do? Oh wait, this is better. It's not as crazy. Okay, yeah, this is fine. So turning it on was the key for some reason. Like what? What even is that? Why would you want that on? No, why would you want it off, I guess? Fix the problem by clicking plane from selection. But I already fixed it without doing that. Let's see. Oh, wait, what? Oh yeah, of course, I have to commit. That's going to be weird to get used to, but I guess that. So we have to create the cylinder, come up, and then right click to save it. Interesting, okay. It's kind of interesting, so this changes that. Cool. Oh, that's cool. So we can just do this, and then cool. So we can change it and then we commit to it. That's the idea, right? That's pretty cool. Oh, this is cool. That kind of reminds me of Blender a bit, being able to use hotkeys to change stuff. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit slow at the start, just while I learn like the bare minimum of what we're doing. But yeah, the reason I'm learning this is because I'm moving to games, so need to adjust my workflows a little bit. And this is actually to bring this up, this is kind of also why I think the idea of like sticking to Blender if you don't want to do anything else is kind of redundant, because most professionals, when you get a new job, you usually have to adjust your workflow regardless. So I don't think there's any point in being die hard about the program of choice that you started with. Does this software used like on daily basis? What do you mean? Really looking forward to my adventure in games. We'll see how it goes. I mean, starting at Blizzard is not a bad not a bad way to start at games, I guess. What's the difference between VFX and cinematics? So I'm not going to be just doing cinematics. I'm helping on a game, so doing higher res geometry. So I don't need to care about topology as much. That's why I'm learning stuff like plasticity. I mean, is the software used in a regular workflow pipeline? Sure, I think so. So if I go, wait a minute. I can't just select this and delete. Oh, I can. What if I'm in face mode? I can't select it and delete, right? Okay. Can't heal wound. That's an interesting way of wording it. But if we're in 5, we can do it. Okay. Yeah, well, how's it going? Thing is, Blender. Oh, fuck me. Always wins. It's hard for other software to compete. Sure, if you say so. Learn on paywall software. All right, cool. Let's see. After Fusion 360, Plasticity is fresh out. Yeah, I tried Fusion a little bit, but Plasticity seems pretty cool. I've seen a couple of videos of this software, but never tried it. One day I will. Yeah, I've never used it, but I heard it was pretty cool, so I thought I would give it a go. Oh, cool. So you can pick. That's pretty cool. That's cool as fuck. Okay. So if you already got a if you've already got your bevel, while it's still live, you just click on another one, it will copy it for you. That's so fucking cool. Sick. Is Plasticity targeted to any profession in particular? Not really. It's just another CAD program, but apparently it's more artist friendly than the other CAD ones. It's pretty new, has some way to go before it earns industry standard stripes. What does Plasticity? I just don't. I think programs like this are super niche for entertainment. I don't think it'll be like a standard, but it will be like a very common tool, right? That's pretty cool. Whoa. Wait, how does this work? That's kind of crazy. So if we're in edge mode, wait. Exporting with topo can be a pain. I don't think I have to do retopo for a while, I guess. Hi, you've probably been asked this before, but I was wondering if you're working in the game dev pipeline, will you get into Blizzard Cinematics? I got into Blizzard Cinematics, but I'll be working on a game. So both. Good evening. How do you like this program? I've been in the program for like 5 minutes, so I literally know nothing about the program. So I can't really comment on anything yet. We're watching a little tutorial. I'm watching a tutorial on the side as I try and learn the basics of the software, and then we can do cool stuff later, I guess. Name me from your disk and live stream. Oh, Discord. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day. Will I have to do game ready? I don't think so. Wait, how do I get this selection back again? I can select this, but that will do another, won't it? You thought it was Blender? No, this is Plasticity. Oh, they simply just never let go. I guess that explains why I couldn't do the selection again. Interesting. Oh no. There we go, we found it. Okay. Okay. So interesting. Okay, so if you press 5, you can go back. Oh, I see. Alright, still talking for a sec. Oh, I see. So that's how you get it back. You simply just, it's not a edge anymore, it's a face. Cool. Can it go the other way? Oh, so we can go back and then go here. Oh, I have to commit. Fucking, that's gonna be confusing. Getting used to having to commit to everything, and then we can chamfer it now instead. That's cool. At least this is. Oh, let me do that. The idea of having to commit to everything is kind of interesting. I need to get used to. And then we can change it back, commit, and then we can make it bevel instead. That's pretty cool. Backspace? Oh, well, I got rid of everything. You mean the face itself? Backspace? Oh, that's cool. All right, that's way easier then. Thank you. So we can do this. 3. Oh, I keep forgetting to commit first. This is going to be super weird to get used to, having to commit to everything. So then we can. So it's not delete. Oh, delete works as well. Okay, interesting. So we can just simply delete this and it'll go back to what it was before. And then we can bevel it instead. Very cool. Wait, how do they do this? Oh, gee. Oh, this is like Blender. Whoa, that's not connected? Interesting. So I can't go that way. Oh, okay. Okay. So it's not actually connected. Interesting. Does anyone know how to turn off like the transparency? So I'm not look. Oh, is it in the shader mode? No, it's not shader mode. Where would this be? If it's cinematics, then probably not. What are we talking about? Not you, but others having to work with the same assets I'm in. So I think I missed the conversation you're talking about. But yeah, I don't really know too much about my job yet. I haven't started yet. Top right next to the pivot icon. This is the pivot icon, I assume, right? Top right. The pivot icon. Oh, XO mode. Thank you. I call this the gizmo, so I was kind of confused what the pivot was. Very cool. How do I focus on? Actually, there's no selection, is there? If I select some geo, how do I focus selection on this? Slash on the numpad? Fucking hell, that's weird. That's can I rebind that? that's super fucking weird to have to reach across my whole keyboard to pop over here. Oh, over here. Okay, but still, that's it's not. I guess it's not the end of the world, is it? Okay. Does it focus on like faces and stuff? It does. Very cool. So I can just okay. Same key on Blender? Fuck. I mean, why not just F for frame? That sounds so much easier. My hotkeys. Is a lot of this stuff like similar to Blender? You got it to F? What kind of software we're looking at? This is F is extra options. What is that? Oh, interesting. Okay. F is extra. Oh, wait. Spacebar knocks to... How do I... What's the button to go to all the different orthographic views without having to press the cube? Is this plasticity? It is. Nice one getting into Blizzard. Thank you. Yeah, I start in a few weeks still. It's going to be... I'm looking forward to it. It'll be cool. I grew up playing a lot of Blizzard games, so getting to Blizzard is definitely very cool. Numpad arrows? Oh my fucking god. No, that doesn't do anything. Who didn't? Yeah, I know. Yeah, the amount of like StarCraft 1 and 2, and especially World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft for me is like... I put way too many hours into that game. 713 on the number pad. Oh, that's weird as fuck. Why are those? Can we rebind stuff? This shit is way too weird. For you, is Diablo 2? Yeah, I never really got into Diablo, unfortunately. I bought Diablo 3, but I never got into it. So 5 goes back to normal. This is so weird. Yeah, definitely gotta figure these new hotkeys out. That's the same as Blender? Fucking Blender, man. That's such a shitty hotkey. No, but to be fair, Blender has the best ever where you can just like control alt shift drag. I can't remember what the fucking hotkey was, but being able to like flick between orthographic in Blender, I think is my favorite thing. That's honestly one of the main things I actually do miss about Blender. Yo, Garrison, how's it going? You can rebind by pressing F and looking for a command, and then press on the right of the command rebind, but not everything can be rebind. That's cool. But yeah, what I do miss about Blender, and I do like, is this thing, being able to like hold Control Alt and then like snap to the different orthographic views. I think this is super cool. That's why I never knew about the hotkey for this, because I think this sucks. Being able to just like, you know, you're looking at it here and then just like snap this way, I think is very cool actually. So like being able to like move around like this, I think is very cool. All right, let's close this program. It's just, that still works in Plasticity with the flicking, by the way, just holding Alt. Oh, I use my hotkeys. I use my navigation. Shit. Oh, no. If I can rebind that, that would be cool for sure. I believe you can do the same with middle click shortcut in Plasticity, but I don't remember. Oh shit. I mean, that's cool. If because yeah, I use Alt for navigation because I use the Maya navigation, this one. Let me just see what you're talking about actually. Oh, that is actually cool. Yeah, I wish I could do, there must be a way of hotkeying that, or at least it being different. Let's see, back to Maya though. Also using hotkeys to move, rotate, and scale, and have the gizmo block the view is cool, I think. Isolate is cool. You can isolate 2 or more objects and then isolate those objects like a stack, if that makes sense. Oh, that's pretty cool. So I'm a big fan of rebinding stuff to be like Maya. Well, I mean, not like Maya, like my Maya hotkeys. What if, so F is everything, right? So isolate is this. Oh, what is that? So it's the dot. So I can press 5 like this and then press the dot. Okay. I want to rebind that. So if I want to rebind isolate, can I? Oh, assign shortcut. Wait, unisolate. That can't be. Wait a minute. Assign shortcut. Press destined key. Is that it? Sick. All right, cool. I mean, oh god. Oh no, this thing's fucking fast again. I've got to turn that back. That sensitivity thing is kind of crazy. Zoom vertical. Okay. I mean, it's better. Okay, and then we have isolate, which is cool. Yeah, isolating for me is very important. Rebinding super easy? Yeah, it does seem super easy, which is cool. All right, we continue the tutorial. This app is very cool to get used to. Wait, what? This app is very cool once you get used to it. It doesn't take long like Blender. Blender didn't take long either, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. I've used Moi in Fusion before. Did I try Moi? Yeah, I own a license of Moi actually. Oh shit, I've already forgot. Oh, it's this button. So, do a line. Does it? It does snap. Cool. Please let go. Why is it not? Okay, never mind. This is the studio version. It's just whatever the free trial is. I'm not going to buy a program I haven't tried before. So I can use G. Cool. Oh, cool. That's cool. Remember to commit? Yeah, I know, it's the main thing to get used to. Oh, so now we have two objects. That's cool. Let me get rid of that. Is this plasticity? It is plasticity. Oh, I see. Okay. Are you still with Think Tank? Yeah, I'm still at Think Tank. I was there yesterday. So, oh, it's offset. Okay. Oh, they're doing what I just did. It's very cool. So this isn't non-destructive at all, right? Like there's no path where I can go back and edit things, right? Deal with poly? It's no, it's no, it's not poly. Oh, I didn't. Ah, fuck. Like, keep forgetting to commit to everything. So 2 is edge, and then we can bevel. Oh, will it just keep going? That's cool. So we can totally change this if we really want to. If I've had enough of that one. Cool. Does everyone press enter or do you press the right click? What is everyone's preferred way of confirming? It feels, yeah, the right click doesn't seem, it doesn't feel as responsive as I would kind of like. So we need to confirm. I don't even know if it's confirmed. Okay, now it's confirmed. So then we can do that. At least it's super easy to just like move shit. So if I want to push this out, that's pretty simple. That's cool. You double tap enter. Why double tap? Right mouse bump for me is been so bad that I've started doing it in Blender. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I guess that's one of the issues with learning multiple programs is all this shit just like bleeds into each other, which is why I kind of like trying to keep the movement and stuff usually pretty consistent. Right click mostly. But yeah, I'm kind of I'm a bit over my plane for a bit. And this gives me something else to kind of do for a while. So if I want to just get rid of a, can you just get rid of a line? I assume you can't, right? Like I can't just be like, fuck it, let's just get rid of this one here. Oh, I guess that does it. I guess that's what we do, right? We essentially just pull it so it becomes one big thing. Does this have any like destructive effect on the mesh? Did you consider Blender as a program for games? Yeah. Oh, I mean, I've used Blender a lot. It's not. I do know Blender. Why attempt to remake the hardcore and harvest and plasticity? Hell no. I don't think you use plasticity for something super crazy like that. Plasticity stream? I mean, it's probably the most underwhelming plasticity stream so far because I'm just trying to learn the basic buttons at the moment. So if we want to do this, we press 3, grab that, press O to offset, grab that, commit that, grab this, and then pull this up. Cool. All right. And then commit that. And then... All right, cool. He basically turns Blender into a CAD program with a few modifiers. I mean, I don't think you could say it's a CAD program because it's not CAD, but Blender does have some cool modifiers. Plasticity is non-destructive in the way that you can just hit X on a surface you want to remove it and it rebuilds the surface. Oh, really? X? Shit, that is cool. So it just can't heal wound. I think that's kind of funny they say that. So if I go to edge and press X, edge is not laminar or wire. I think I probably fucked this up too much, haven't I? Can I press X on this one? No. So if I can't do that. I mean, it worked here. That one's pretty simple. But I can't go to this one. Yeah, I feel you. There's a series of shorts made by Pixel Fondue. That's what we're watching. Pixel Fondue. I was watching his stuff when I was learning Houdini, so I just thought his stuff is pretty cool. Do you think any studio will allow us to use software that they didn't use? Nope. If we're pro-using it and can adapt their pipelines, just curious, no? No, probably not. I mean, it depends. If we're talking about VFX, for sure. I mean, games seems to be a bit different just because I assume my job will be just making high-res mesh, so it doesn't really matter what I use. But when it comes to film, you can't just use whatever you want. What will I be making for the games? Just high-res mesh. Delete or X mostly works on surfaces. Oh, it's a surface thing. Why does it not? Is it the fact that this surface is just straight that it doesn't work? So say for example, I guess if I fuck this edge up and then I need to commit first, of course. And then I press X on this, it will go back. Okay, that makes sense. When your meshes still need to be rigged and animated, when topology come into play there? But who says I'm going to be doing the game res mesh? What else? Is this like dissolving edge? I don't know. You're not talking about games? For cinematic? I don't know. I mean, I literally don't know. I haven't worked there yet, so I can't really. I'm sure I can't really talk too much about what I'm doing either, but I physically haven't worked in games yet, so I can't really comment exactly on what I'm doing because I do not know. It'll be interesting to, in a few years' time, once I've had more experience, to see how things go. But yeah, on the subject of if I'm so good, will a studio let me use whatever I want? Usually the answer would be no, because I don't think anyone is so good that a studio will bend to you. like if I was at DNEG and I'm like, I'm going to use plasticity now, DNEG will be like, no. Like it's not gonna happen. Use a lot of hotkeys like in Blender. Yeah, or I don't know. In Maya, I mostly use the marking menu things. Andreas Azealia started using this program as well, made an engine block and then modeling over it in Maya for his Lotus 49 project. That's cool. Yep. Oh, yeah, rest of What on earth is Xnobs? I've never heard of this thing. Oh, let me catch up actually. Gonna be a crazy journey. Hope Blizzard is working on something big right now. Crazy journey. I mean, I don't know. I guess for me, it kind of, I can't imagine my job will be too different. But at the end of the day, to me, it's just all polygon. Well, I mean, technically, this is not polygons, but I guess it's all just polygons to me. But yeah, the idea of working in games sounds kind of interesting. It wasn't a path I thought I would go down, but it's kind of cool. It wouldn't fly on game ready asset side of things to just use what you want either. There's still pipeline and need to integrate with tools. Yeah, I think so as well. Oh, excuse me. What is Xnobs? High poly and then in Blender get low poly. Oh, I still new career chapter. Yeah, that's true. I mean, I'm excited. Like I said, it wasn't like it's not like I was like, oh, VFX is dying, I need to get out or some shit like that. It was literally just like, oh, a new opportunity has just landed on my lap. Shall I take it or not? It's pretty much just that. Match face, what's this? I don't have these things he has. I guess I need to use F, don't I? Match face. I guess I can just hotkey that, right? Wait, what? Why does this not work for me? So okay, let's cancel that. Oh, I keep pressing Q to Boolean. It's funny, you kind of mentioned that would happen. So we go, I wish it was kind of a recently used as well. That could be kind of cool. Match face. So, oh no, I need to have that selected first, don't I? So that one first, then match face, and then click this one. Cool. All right. I don't know what the fuck I was doing then, but now that works. Can I turn this off? Oh, I can turn this off. Cool. So there's no way I can just grab this edge and just like scale it in, right? Oh, actually no. G moves, but so would G only go? That doesn't work. Is there any way I can literally just scale this in without doing an actual operation on it? Match face is one of the coolest features. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Looks so weird. You can just grab a single component layer. It's different to polygons. You can't just grab some verts and pull them. But I'm just wondering, is there a way I can just like scale in the ring? I guess to try and make sure it doesn't ruin your joy of playing games, as it does for a lot of game developers. Why would that be though? I've worked in films for 12 years and it doesn't affect my enjoyment of film. Yo, how's it going? No, you can't scale line, but you can rotate surface with it with this lane. Rotate surface. That's it. That sounds the complete opposite of what I would want to do, but I'm sure it's just a lingo thing. It just does. It's the thing. So, I mean, I'm kind of confused. I don't understand why games. I mean, I guess we'll find out. But I don't really understand why games take so long to make. I mean, I obviously don't know because I've never worked in games. But like, say for example, there was apparently I saw the credits floating around for Assassin's Creed, and apparently it's 2 hours long. How many people would have to be involved for a 2 hour long credits list? That's longer than the movies I work on. They redesign them, and then you need to start your work over. And that's so weird. The latest one. Ubisoft has 12K employees. I mean, sure, but like DNEG has 10K employees, but the DNEG credits is like 15 seconds. like I just don't know how many people work on this game. I'm just kind of confused how you could make a game with so many people. You have a question, I may not know the answer though. That's all right, you can ask your question. 500 people in a title? I mean, I'd expect like 500, but 500 shouldn't take 2 hours, right? Do I have any advice for trying to model hair? Oh, you've come to the absolute worst place to ask about hair, I'm sorry. I know nothing about modeling hair. Ubisoft has like 15K employees. Yeah, but I doubt 15K people worked on a game. I believe a lot of other games didn't show everyone. One of my instructors made a single rock for a large AAA used in the game, but he wasn't. I mean, if you make a rock, come on, if you, yeah, rock you can. I don't know. I do agree there should be at least a degree of cutoff time required for a credit. I think. Like if you spend a day doing some UVs, do you really deserve a credit next to someone that spent 5 years on a project, if that makes sense? I think you can scale surface sometimes, and this line will scale too. Oh, you can scale the face? Wait, no, that's just going to go up and down, right? I mean, this is kind of interesting. Why, if I pull this up, why does it go? So if I grab this face and pull this up, why does that go out? Why doesn't it just stay where it is and go up? Is it just because of this angle? So you can't. Oh. So you just you can move the face like that. Then obviously that fucks up that one, but interesting. Sure, we'll leave it like that for now. It doesn't cost anything. I know, I'm more just kind of surprised that it would take so many people to make a game, I guess is my question. Not saying it shouldn't, because I've never worked in games, but I'm just kind of surprised that it takes so many people. There's also program bug testing. In film, you do what's going to be on camera. Yeah, but film credits also include all the actors, everything done on set as well, right? I think I saw like apparently the longest film credit ever was Return of the King, which was 9 minutes. I think they must have added anybody who touched it, like there was lower limit to being in the credits. That's fair, I guess. I'm just surprised it's 2 hours though. That's a long time of credits. That literally is like it's longer than the movies I worked on. It's like if a building is behind the schedule, they will hire as many carpenters. Yeah, but they also get credits, I guess. But yeah, it's not a major point or major issue. I was just kind of surprised to see it was so long. I would expect like 30 minutes or something. Shift H. Oh. Oh, we can scale. Alt H. That's way too small. Can I? Oh, don't do that. Isolate select this. I can. That's. Wait, why is it not scaling? Oh, I see. Weird. Okay. G is move, right? Okay. That's so weird to me. The fact that it doesn't move. Like, I mean, I guess it doesn't hurt knowing where the original will be until you move it. But interesting. Then Alt H star unhide. Oh no, I have to commit first. No. Is it committed yet? Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm isolate selecting. Okay. So we can take this and then we can no. S. Go to 5 first and then S. S. S is scale, right? Okay. Yeah. So we can do that. Do I have to commit it before pressing G? I assume I probably do, right? G. Damn it. What are all the programs you know? Oh, I got no idea. There's a bunch of programs, I guess, but it doesn't really matter how many programs you know. Will the stream be recording? Stream be what? Will the stream recording be available? Yes, on not that this is the most educational stream because I am learning myself, but yeah, it's on YouTube. All the streams are there. This is Plasticity. I wonder if there's a way to set up different hotkey to finish. It's just right click. But sometimes right click doesn't seem to be super responsive. Yeah, it's nerve spaced. What is this? So we 3-point arc tool. So it snaps there. Oh, that's cool. So wait, did he do 3 or 2-point? 3-point. Oh, 3-point arc. I clicked the wrong one. So that one, that one. Oh, very cool. Okay. Oh, this is cool. So Alt X, I'm noticing a trend of like these hotkeys being the same as Blender hotkeys. Well, Blender tool stuff. So if I do this, and then Alt X, and then click here. Yeah, so it is the same as Blender, right? And then I complete operation, so now we have 2 of them. They're separate curves, right? Yeah. So they're new curves. Okay. Do you use default binds in Blender or industry layout? I use the default binds, but I rebound some of the stuff. But yeah, I'm kind of liking. I mean, I haven't done shit yet, but but the program looks pretty cool so far. I like the idea of using this sort of stuff. So we can do Alt X and then press F, and then we can snap this wherever we want. Oh wow, we can rotate as well. That's pretty cool. And then, boom, we have our copy. Oh shit, what did spacebar do? Did I? Okay. So that's the stacking isolate thing someone mentioned earlier. Okay. We're just doing like the bare basics so far. So can I just move this if I wanted to? So if I just take this, I need to set up the hotkey for that. Then I just go G. Oh, no, don't do that. G. Well, is there any way of making this snap? Like if I want to snap that to that, essentially. Is there like a freestyle? I guess this is it. If I click that, cool. Oh, I missed it. So essentially, F lets us do whatever we want. Very cool. Okay. That's pretty cool. There's also radial array. Yeah, I'm sure there would be a radial array. Stacking comes in really useful. Stacking what? Like stacking isolate, you mean? Hit V while in command. Move command mode. Keep pressing the wrong fucking hotkey. So these things are all disconnected, right? Let's just put this up here. Press G and then V. Pivot. I guess this just sets what the pivot is, right? Oh. But it's not stacking. Press V again. Oh, no, that doesn't. So I can snap the pivot, but I can't snap that to where I want. I mean, I like being able to just select that and then put that there. I think is very cool. I think that's all I need, right? I don't think I need to do anything else aside from that, right? That's still pretty cool. Oh, you have to hold control. Oh, I see. Freestyle like I did is probably better in my case. That's cool. Oh, wait. Yeah, how do we join this stuff? Turn tool. So then we can get rid of this stuff. Okay, that's cool. So can I... So commit that. Can I grab this, press G, pull this up? What would be the easiest way to do this? Just grab this and pull this up. If it's like Blender, it's... I fucking hate... Everything is like Blender. So if I delete these things, then everything gets fucked, right? Yeah, it does. This might explain the AC Shadows credits thing. Another game dev channel I'm in mentioned they gave credits to the esports managers in it. Yeah, but that's like one person. It's not, that doesn't justify 2 hours of credits. I'll figure this out later. Wait, you can move individual points like that? Oh, I guess that's easy then. So I can grab both of these and just move these up. Wait, I can just grab them all at the same time, can't I? Do pot select, press G. Oh, that's way easier. I don't know why I was trying to overcomplicate that. I guess. Okay. Ready for a join. Oh, of course, it's like Blender. Yeah. A typical games credit also lists 30 to 50 baby names that were born. That's so crazy. Like in VFX, like half the people don't get any credit at all, but in games, like even babies born get credits. It's kind of crazy. So we don't need this anymore. Yeah, it's gonna take some time to be comfortable in this program, but it sorry. But I definitely see the value of this program for sure. So if I press G now, will it does apply, that's cool. Okay. I click. Just pull this out here. Maybe you're also in AC. Maybe. Yeah. Someone had my stream on in the background, and then I also get a credit. Sure, why not? Will you make use of Live Bridge to Blender? No. Why would I need to do that? I'm sure there's another way of exporting, right? Oh, radial array. Cool. What the fuck? Radial. Okay. Radial array. Oh, that's cool as fuck. Okay. Oh, we changed the number here. 6. Oh god. What have I done? Oh, I'm an idiot. I had the YouTube selected when I pressed my numbers, so it went back in time. Alright. Okay, that's probably why this is being stupid. Okay. So we just want edge mode. Cool. So my array, there's no way I can just go back to the array, right? I would have to delete these and then redo the array. Like there's no history of the array, right? Am I following a tutorial? Yeah, I've got Pixel Fondue's thing here. I'm just learning the basics of the program. So it's not the most educational stream on my point, but I'm learning new things at least, which is kind of cool. I don't know. I thought people might want to see me fumble around and try and learn a program from scratch. The array has a smooth vibe to it. It just works. Yeah, it feels that way. Project curve. Okay. Project. And then select that. Okay, that's cool. But yeah, there's no way of there's no way of having the array updated, right? Like the only way I can do this now is to redo the array, I assume. Yeah. Like there's no history or anything like that, right? So I'd have to redo the radial array. And then just change this, I guess. Okay, and then I like it has little tick boxes, like, oh, make sure you select this thing first and then do that. That's pretty cool. So I can just press J and join these, right? Oh. Oh, so if they're not physically touching, they can't join. Okay, fair enough. No. It says it has a problem if it does all at the same time. That can't be right. Hope they fix that. I don't think it has a history like Fusion. Oh, okay. So he's manually doing each one independently. This video is a year old, so hopefully that's outdated, I guess. So project curve. Okay, that's not what we want. So imprint curve. It's like that. Yeah, so it only does one at a time. That's not super cool. So how do I deselect things? Oh, of course I didn't commit. Okay. So I really need to do this every time. Shift I. Okay. So grab that, Shift I, grab that, commit, grab this one. God, this hotkey is annoying. That one, commit. It's kind of a shame it hasn't figured that out, but whatever. I guess. Oh. Whatever. Oh, I was like, where did they all go? I realized I haven't done that many yet. You should be able to select the main shape and then shift select the curves. So do it in the reverse of what he's done. Oh, I've already come so far at this point. Maybe we'll do it next time. Shift I, this one, commit. Interesting. Okay. Oh fuck! I keep forgetting I need to commit. Commit. Oh, cool. Can I shift? Oh, I can. So Control 2 will swap to. Oh fuck! I need to commit first as well. Fuck. Okay. So we push this in. We commit, and then Control 2 will go to edge, and then we can do. Very cool. Oh, it's kind of dying a little bit. It's not super happy with that operation. Maybe we won't go that far. Okay. Wait, where's it? Where's my little thing gone? Damn it. Okay, keep going. So we push this in, we commit, and then go Control 2, and then we baffle that. Okay, cool. So we have this. And then at any point can we... Why is it not highlighting anything? What is this program? It is Plasticity. So if I select this face, oh, why is that not working? So if I do multiple at once, it should respect them all. Cool, it does. Okay. Yeah, I've played with CAD in the past, not much, a little bit. But yeah, it would be. Oh, fuck! I keep forgetting. I keep forgetting to commit. My annoying thing is I keep undoing, and then I lose the. Okay, if I just shift click again, it comes back. Okay. So if I. Oh fuck. Interesting. Okay. How do I select a full ring? Is there a way to select a ring? There must be, right? Try holding Alt and clicking on the edge. Oh, okay, cool. Thank you. That's cool. I'm already holding Alt anyway, so that's cool. Alt. Oh no, I'm an idiot. I need to hold Alt Shift. Okay. Okay, and then now we have this, we can Oh my god, it's dying. It's dying a little bit, but okay. Now we can alter this a bit. That's cool. Yeah, definitely you can tell they've based this around Blender. Okay, does this have groups? Does this have, what is this? Group selected, Control G. Shit, we have a group. Does the group work the same as, damn it, it is the same as a collection. So we can't use the group like Maya groups. I guess at least we can. So it is just a collection, right? No, it's all right. I don't expect a CAD program to have grouping like Maya. Blender I do, but not Plasticity. I think Plasticity fills its own niche. So if I want to do something really stupid, I can do this, right? Oh, it doesn't like this. No. I want to try offset everything, but it didn't really like that. What did he do? Oh my god. That's pretty cool. That's cool. So Q is the Boolean button, right? So does that mean if I got these hotkeys killing me, I could just do, let's just do something simple for now. So, oh no, you don't even need, you can just use the curve, right? You don't even need an actual full object, right? So if I just for some reason wanted this, I don't need to close this, right? God, why does, see, right click this doesn't work on this for some reason. Q is Boolean, select target. Oh, this one is, all right, I'm gonna stop jumping ahead. Let me just watch the video. I'm gonna stop fucking around. So, sphere, well, press B for new body. Okay. It's just like this. What I find kind of strange, not strange, but is getting used to swapping between the modes to do things is a bit strange. Scale. Okay. So this is X-ray mode, right? No, it's render X-ray. Why don't I see the sphere? The one thing I want to see. Why does it not appear in X-ray mode? Whatever, good enough. I use imprint a lot to cut out and shape with curves. Cool. Yeah, a lot of the tools are pretty cool. I just need to figure out how to use these things. Okay. At least Q seems to be a pretty normal button, because I assume I'll be using this a lot. And then union is Q again. Cool. All right. Simple. Oh, he's changed his mind. Oh. Oh, that's pretty cool. If I pull this down, please. So it remembers the actual curve. That's cool. If we go this way, well, it doesn't happen. Guys, so not frustrating, but like going from like such like this would be so easy to model like just in Maya, but like having to like redo everything, the full thought process and everything is kind of hard. We'll get used to it eventually. What program we're using? This is Plasticity. So, all right, let me just see, make sure I got this. So I can just draw a line like this if I wanted to. Press C, just like that, and commit that, and it will slice this, and then now this is, whoa. What have I done? Let's just undo that again. We'll stay in this mode here. So we select this one here. Please select it. Oh no, I have to be in edge mode. That one, press C, then grab this one, commit it. And then now we go back to this mode. And then now we have this separate, right? Cool. Okay. Nice. Does that mean I can just do like some weird random shit through the middle of it, like if I really wanted to? So see this, right click, and then we have this that we can just move off. That's cool. Not that we'd ever need to do this right now, but it's pretty cool. And then if we want to be extra stupid, we can just move this over here. Oh no, I've committed too early. Go back. Grab this, move this here for some reason. And then commit that. And then we can Alt X that way. Commit that. And then we grab these. And then we press C, grab this, right click. And then we have this. Okay. That's very cool. Amazing. Pretty cool stuff. Yo, how's it going? Do you find this being useful for VFX? No. It's being used in games often. Oh yeah, I'm going into games. That's why I'm learning it. But yeah, this is not a VFX thing. I wouldn't bother with this in VFX. And the time it takes to do this in Plasticity, take it to Maya, then re-topo it, I might as well just build it once in Maya. There's no point of doing it multiple times. Looks like a piston. Yeah. Oh god, what have we done? But yeah, I'm starting at a Blizzard in a few weeks, so I thought I would expand my workflows a bit. Seeing I now have the opportunity to do. Yeah, well, thanks. It's quite different. Yeah, I imagine it'll be. I mean, I'll just be doing high-res meshes anyway, but I imagine it can be different. Oh, fuck, I keep pressing the hotkey. It's just... Oh, God. Yeah, I need to get used to these hotkeys. So this is where center circle is. Okay. So that is that. Curve array, is that? No, that's not right. What is just the normal array they used? One person made this program? It sounds like Moi, where Moi was like made by the person who made Rhino, I think. I think Moi stands for moments of inspiration, I think. I think that's what it stands for. That's pretty cool though. Rectangular array. Why did I not see that option? Maybe I'm dumb. Oh, rectangular array. Oh, this is cool. So if we do that, sorry, select endpoint. Didn't I just do that? Oh, okay. So this is live, I assume, right? This is cool. I always like it when things are very like interactive like this. It feels nice. Can I still change this? No, I can't. Damn it. I was hoping I could still change the scale of this one while they were... Oh, commit. I guess we just have to rearray, right? Rectangular array, okay. It's still pretty cool. Is it better than Moi and Fusion, or pretty much the same thing? It seems like the same thing so far. It's just a nicer interface. I haven't opened Moi for like many years though. Taking a model from this program to ZBrush and then Zero Mesh works really well. Interesting. That's cool. I think Maya, I've heard Maya's auto retopo is pretty good as well now. I haven't never used it, but I heard good things about it. But yeah, the interface looks nice. Control equals the hell. Oh, okay. I guess this is where the CAD stuff comes in. But yeah, it kind of surprised me how many people actually use this program. It seems like everyone seems to know it for some reason. It's the new shiny? I guess that's true. What about your great blender? Yo, how's it going? Low 3D artists use Blender? Yeah, I know. Use it for modeling over scan data. This thing. Why would you use more? Why would you use plasticity for scan data? Can you post ArtStation link? Sure, if you want. Who are the Blizzard people you swapped to CAD? How am I liking it? I barely started it, so I don't really have any answers on how I feel about it. Of course, it looks like a cool program, but I haven't really used it enough to get a full picture on it. Wait a minute, it's alt click, right? That's going to cause problems with. Oh, I mean, I guess shift gets rid of the movement problem, I guess. And then this is pretty cool. Yeah, I'm just getting used to the program for now. There's a Blender bridge. Okay. Asia Randon. I got no idea who that is. Oh yeah, all the standard sort of guns and stuff. So this person uses plasticity a lot, I guess. Yeah, plasticity. Cool. Gearbox. What is Gearbox again? It's not Call of Duty. No, it's not Call of Duty, is it? Yeah, what does Gearbox work on again? I know it's obviously a very well-known studio, but I forgot. Oh, Borderlands. Oh yeah, I guess I can see Borderlands in here. I should probably have guessed that. Not really the biggest fan of the Borderlands aesthetic, honestly. It was just never really an IP that really like appealed to me, I guess. Gear of War? No, that's not Gears of War. Gears of War is Coalition. Yeah, Gearbox is Borderlands. But yeah, I'm liking the program so far. Obviously I'm still very new. It's pretty cool. How do you get rid of an edge again? I forgot already. It's not K, no. Congratulations for Blizzard? Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to starting. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, I've almost been going for 2 hours. I'll probably stop around the 2 hour mark. I'm in need of coffee to wake up. I've been trying to wake up earlier and go to the gym in the morning and be all that, that sort of shit. So I'm a bit tired at the moment. But this has been fun. I'm enjoying this. I think from now on we probably will experiment with Plasticity while on stream. It is a program I do want to get into. So if I just want to create a boolean and just straight up just cut through this. Does the boolean actually have to be, the geo doesn't have to be fully commit. I mean, it doesn't have to properly cut through it, right? We can still just use the C, this one. Right click. Okay. But I guess I'll still have to manually get rid of this one. Still cool though. Pixel Fondue, yeah, is I was learning Houdini with his sort of stuff. So can I go back to vert mode, grab these, scale that like that, commit that, and then, oh shit, let's go back. No, I didn't mean to go that far back. Whatever. Yeah, I was learning a lot from his Houdini videos. So I thought, might as well keep going with this stuff. It's cool. So we can use G to move this here, commit, please, scale that up there, commit, then C, grab that, oh, no, edge mode, that one, C, oh, I pressed one button, C, that one, commit, then we have this done. And then if we mirror, does mirroring work the same as mirroring in Blender? Like say for example, if we grab this and we press Alt X and go here, very cool. That's what I wanted to know. That's very cool. And then if we want, we can create a cylinder in the middle. Oh, I totally fucked that up. Let's do the bottom to make it a bit easier. And pull this up here. And then we can do random shit like this. Maybe pull this in a bit more. Commit that, grab this one, G, move this up here. Oh, wait, why not? Did I not commit first? Grab this, G. This should move, oh, I must have fucked something up. And then we can press this one, then Q, this. Oh, these are separate. Okay. So I guess we would have to Q this one, union, which is Q again. And then if we go this, Q, Q again. And then we have our new thing. Cool. That's pretty cool. Nice. I'm liking this program so far. Oh, I need to figure out the hotkeys for snapping to the sides without having to do this nonsense. So, but aside from that, it's really cool. And then I don't know. So we can just do shit like here. Is it? Why is it not snapping? So it only snaps if it's not in the way. That's kind of annoying. Let's just do this actually. So like that, commit that. Please commit. I'm right clicking so many times. Okay. G, put this here. This, oh, these things are separate. Whatever. Please. Stuff is pretty cool. I'm enjoying the concept of this program so far. And then I guess if we wanted to use this elsewhere, we could. X, was it? F. So F we can place this where we want, right? Whoa, okay. Like that. I mean, I'm liking the concept so far. It's pretty cool. I just need to get used to what everything is. So we don't need this anymore because I'm gonna do a better one. What's X? Then grab. Oh, yes. It's so weird getting used to like right clicking that one, combine them. Cool. Very cool. No, I've changed it to, I've changed the hotkeys to like, be like Maya. So I don't think holding Alt is gonna help because it's doing Maya hotkeys. Can we do random shit like this? Oh, we can. Very cool. And then just face right. Did I not commit? I didn't commit. That's gonna be weird. It's gonna take some time to get used to getting used to committing. All right, I don't like this. I want it just to go straight in without doing. Oh wait, how did I do that? Oh, why is it different now? Huh. I don't know what just happened. Got this one, this one. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I think this program is nice. It's gonna take me some time to properly get used to it though, but I think it's cool. Press G to move, right? How come you're learning plasticity? I'm moving into the game industry, so I'm expanding my skill set a bit. Now that I have the opportunity, oh god, I made that awful. Now that I have the opportunity to learn new workflows, I'm trying new stuff. You will love this app in about 2 weeks. Yeah, it'll take some time to get used to for sure. But I like the concept of it. I do like that the fact that it is very similar to Blender's, you know, the Alt X. Alt X thing is cool. I think that's cool. But if we wanted to, so we can do Alt X, place this here instead. Okay, maybe don't do this. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Can I snap? Is there like a snap feature to this? Like snap by 45-degree angle or something. That would be cool if that was a thing. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. This is used for games. It's used for high poly, which can be games. I mean, it doesn't, you know, for concept art and stuff like that. So these things aren't connected, right? I need to Boolean these things first. Okay. And then I can go to edge mode. Oh. No, it doesn't like this. Is this... Oh no, it did work. It doesn't like... I have to manually do this though. Shit. You don't need to mark edges? How is it going to know? Oh shit. How is it going to know what I'm doing if I don't mark the edge, if I don't select the edge? Well, I totally fucked that up, didn't I? What do you mean try it? I just did it. It's not doing the full thing. All I want to do is grab... Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. I could have just done this. I guess. Please. Disconnect. Why is it? Can I... Oh, you go left. Shit, okay. So right is selection, left is deselect. Okay. So left is how we do that. Okay. Yeah, I think I probably fucked this Geo up too much, I think. Whatever. The concept is cool. Still, I mean, it's not like this is actually anything of value. This is me just fucking with the program. Obviously, I've cut it in such a unfortunate position that I've kind of broken it a lot. Still cool though. Alt and select, I know, but it wasn't working. So I must have done something not as optimal as I should have. But yeah, it's cool. I like this program. So if I just hate this completely, we can just go right click. Yeah, it's going to take some time for me to actually feel like comfortable in the program and like be able to work on the fly and stuff like that without overthinking everything and pressing dumb buttons and stuff like that. So if we freestyle, put this here, let's just get rid of all of that. That's getting really fucking crazy. Just go back here. Okay. Commit there. So if I want to move all of this, I can just go to face mode, grab this, and then press G, and this will come up. Okay. And then, for my sake, just G and pull this down. Oh, no, it didn't work. Can you not move? Oh, I see. Whatever. I've broken this too much. You see my tweets all the time? Oh God. Yeah, welcome to the stream. I don't know how you found my stream then from Twitter, because I don't really ever post on Twitter that I'm streaming or anything like that. Yeah, welcome to the stream. What's the big deal with me learning plasticity? I mean, I've used Moy and stuff like that, so I've used CAB before, just never really had a reason to use it in VFX. But now I'm going to games, so now I have a reason to try new workflows. That's how you found my streams? And Discord? Really? Shit. Mostly, I mean, it hasn't happened for a while, but most of my Twitter experience was just fighting people about Blender, but that's pretty much it. Selecting from left to right will select what's inside of the selection box. From right to left will select every edge and face that the selection box is touching. Interesting. Okay. You're about to start streaming as well? What do you stream? Like 3D stuff as well? Try running the delete redundant topology command. Where on earth would I do that? I have no idea about... What is it actually? I could just type redundant? Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me. It's right there. Do I have to have anything selected when I do this, or can I just do nothing? I assume I must have something selected, right? Just grab these. Oh wait, if I just combine these together, that might be a start. Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. I could have just combined this and then I could have... My brain keeps trying to think this is Blender, so I keep pressing my Blender hotkeys. Wait a minute. So this is edge. Oh, it didn't work. There's no vertex. Vertex here. Why is this not working? I made a minigame in Plasticity and I'm going to stream doing the low poly. Oh, nice. Can I please select that face? So what's on the other side? Nothing. Interesting. So if I just press G and then go down, this should work. Okay. So if I just do, okay, we commit that, and then redundant. Do I have to have this selected? I assume I must, right? Oh. Oh, cool. That fixed this bullshit I had before as well. Thank you. So it just gets rid of everything that's not needed. That's very cool. This curve is a bit fucked, but that's very cool. You're thinking of switching from 3ds Max to Blender? Depends on what your end goal is. There's no need to, but it depends on what you want to do. You started with 3ds Max in 1997. Holy shit. You wish we had this back then? Yeah, it's a pretty cool program. It was a rudimentary tweet about holding edges when I could barely navigate Maya. The Discord is insanely helpful. I'm glad. Yeah. So originally the Discord was just meant to be a place for me to talk to my mentees, and then we just ended up opening it to the public. That's why the Discord is literally just my company name. It was literally meant to be just a place for me to talk to the mentees when I did mentorship, and then I thought might as well just open it to everyone. And that's how the Discord is there. I think you will like the Shift R command. Shift R? What is Shift R? I don't know how to do anything. Shift R? What does Shift R do? I don't know what it does. Shift. Oh, you can't search for a command. Okay. Yeah, you might have to educate me on what Shift R is. Is this my first CAD-based program? No, I have a copy of Moi, but I played with Moi a little bit. I didn't get too into it. Insert a line. Oh. A line where? Like if I'm in face mode or something. Shift R? Offset face. Wait, what? No, that's Shift R. What do you mean Shift? What does it do? Oh, control. Okay. Oh, okay, that's cool. All right, thank you. Yeah, that's completely different to Shift R, but that's pretty cool. Does that work on like everything? Oh yeah, I guess just like this, I guess. That's cool. And then, so I assume we can do like, I don't know, shit like this, and then grab this one. Can you, there must be a way to just extrude, right? Oh, grab that. E, okay, cool. This is what I was wondering. But I like the way you can just like curve stuff in it, and it respects this curve as well, which is very cool. Yeah, it's nice. All right, yeah, we've been going for 2 hours. I'm getting kind of hungry, but yeah, I think this is what we'll probably be doing from now on, at least for a little bit, while I wrap my head around this little stuff and get into this program. It's very cool. I appreciate the help from everyone. Definitely makes learning programs a little easier. This has been way better than when I had the stream try and teach me Blender. That was a bit of a disaster. Like 10 people would tell me something, 9 of them were wrong. So learning Blender via stream was a bit of a nightmare, but Plasticity seems to be a bit better. But yeah, we'll probably be doing this for a bit while I wrap my head around the program. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, everyone. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you all next week. All right, see ya. Bye.